धारवाड़ के एएसपी द्वारा बीआरएस के लिए आवेदन करने पर कर्नाटक के मंत्री दिनेश गुंडू राव ने कहा, वहां जो कुछ हुआ है वह उसी समय हुआ। सीएम चिढ़ गए हैं और गुस्सा हो गए। यह एक भावनात्मक विस्फोट था, व्यक्तिगत नहीं। हमने भाजपा एमएलटी को डिप्टी कमिश्नर पर व्यक्तिगत हमले करते हुए देखा है, उन्हें पाकिस्तानी कहा है।
What happened in the incident was in the moment where during the function, when it should have been organized properly, CM got irritated and angry. Yes, it was an emotional outburst, that's all. Nothing personal. We have seen BJP MLCs making personal attacks on the deputy commissioner, calling them Pakistanis. We have seen in Orissa where bureaucrats have been senior bureaucrats have been beaten up by BJP goons. That is all intentional. CM's was not intentional. It was on a spur of a moment when he got a little bit angry about the way the preparation had been done. There was nothing, otherwise there's no other issue. Whereas BJP leaders today in this country are attacking IAS officers, attacking senior bureaucrats without any fear and favor, intentionally. So BJP should realize who is doing the authoritarian rule here, and that those people are the leaders of BJP doing it purposely. So they should understand that. Now it is left to the sub-inspector or who other ACP, whoever assistant SP. Yes, he may. That is up to him. But everyone knows it was just an emotional moment. That's all. It is not a willful thing. But BJP does it willfully. BJP does it purposely because they look at it in a different way. Okay, so there is no comparison of Hitler. Who's doing Hitler rule in this country? Everybody knows. Okay.